Hello, guys! Today we're going to read a counting book under the sea, and it is called One Giant Splash. You ready? Going to share my screen. Here we go. One Giant Splash, a counting book about the ocean. A giant splash! 12 jittery jellyfish shivered and shook with a spectacular splash. Let's count the jellyfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you see the number 12 right there? 12. Let's see if I can point. Number 12 is right there. 12. We found 12 jellyfish. 11 salty shrimp somersaulted. That means they flipped through the sky. Let's count the shrimp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 shrimp. Let's see how many and what they are. 10. 10 excited eels made wiggles above the waves. These are eels. They look a little bit like snakes, but they live in the ocean. They're called eels. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eels. We found 10. Let's see what's next. 9. 9 startled sharks slipped swiftly down to silent water. Let's count the sharks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 sharks. 9. 8. 8 squiggly squid squirted clouds of ink and scattered. Do you see? That's their ink. Squids, when they get scared, they squirt out ink to make everything cloudy so nobody can see them. But we can still see them. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squids. 7. This is the number 7. 7 astounded stingrays stuck and stung one another. Stingrays have a long tail, and at the end it has a little stinger, and it can sting. They were scared, so they stung each other. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stingrays. Let's see what's next. 6. 6 curious crabs scuttled toward the sandy shore. Crabs live in the ocean, but they also like to come up on the beach and into the sand. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crabs. 5 flabbergasted flounders flopped and flipped and flew about. Flounders are a type of fish, and flabbergasted means they were scared. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flounders. 4 bewildered walruses bellowed and blew through their snouts. These are walruses, but this is just showing their heads. They are big, big animals. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 walruses. 3 delighted dolphins danced on the dazzling waves. They're dancing. 1, 2, 3. 3 dolphins. The dolphins are the only ones that were not scared. They like the big splash. 2 slippery seals bounced and bumped and barked with glee. Are they scared? No, they like the splash. 1, 2. 2 seals. But who made the giant splash? Who did it? Was it the seals? Or the dolphins? The flounders? Let's find out. It was one big blue whale. One. Just one. The end. If you go back to read the book again, you can see that there are numbers in the story. So we're going to go back to it. We're going to start the book, and I want you to look. One giant splash, and see where it has the number 12 right here? The number 12 is hiding somewhere in this story. I don't know. It's somewhere in there. See if you can find it. The numbers are hiding. I'm going to find one so that I can show you. So this is the number 9. And if you look in the middle of the screen, if you look right here, there's the number 9. It's hiding in the drop. So I want you to go back into Clever and look at this book. It is in your library, and see if you can find all of the hidden numbers. Okay? I hope you enjoyed our story, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.